Hi, my name is Jan Walter and welcome to our blog Maqam Guitar, which is about how to add quarter tones in sheet music with guitar tab notation. So we are working in the program MuseScore. You can download it for free on the internet. Also find below in the description the link towards the program. And I assume you know already a little bit to work with this program, to set up like a basic arrangement. If not, you can find all kinds of tutorials on YouTube that show you how to work with this program. Okay, so in our case we want to add some quarter tones in our Arabic melody, for example. I made here Jins Rast, 5 notes of Jins Rast. So imagine you have a melody in Rast and we have a quarter tone here on the 3rd degree of the scale. Then we want to change this note into a quarter tone. Then we go to accidentals. We click here and then we click on more. And then you find here this symbol, which means a quarter tone lowered. So I add it. And now, see, you hear the sound is changed. It's a quarter tone lower. And now between the D and the E quarter tone lowered, we have an interval of 3 quarter tone. So it sounds like. Sometimes you don't want to lower a note, but you want to raise it. So, for example, if you play a Rast in the key of D, and then we want to raise this note with a quarter tone. So again, I go to accidentals, I go to more, and then I find here the symbol for a quarter tone raised. Okay, so I add it, and now you hear, yes. So this is the flavor of Rast on D. Okay, so now we have it in our MuseScore, but we still don't have it in the tabs. And unfortunately, it doesn't happen automatic. Maybe in the future, who knows. But for now, we just click the notes. So we want the 2nd fret to be lowered with a quarter tone. Then I go to text. And then I add stave text. So it appears here. I double click. I delete the text. And now I can add these 2 buttons here. It's for smaller than and bigger than. So it's a shift, smaller than. I press enter. And then I add quarter tone, QT. Okay, and now I can drag it in front of the 2nd fret, and with this you can do a little bit fine tuning here. See, okay, so now we know the 2nd fret is a quarter tone lowered, which in case you have a quarter tone fret, it means the quarter tone fret in between the 1st and the 2nd fret. And in some cases, if you have like a guitar with movable frets, you can still add you can still change the intonation a little bit of the fret by moving it. And then the same we can do here on the 3rd fret. We want to raise it with a quarter tone, so we go to stave texts. And then we double click here. And let's remove the text. Then I go shift and then bigger than button, enter, I add quarter tone, QT, and now I can drag it in the score. So now as a guitar player, you know, sorry, it's a little bit more precise. Yeah, so now you know it's a quarter tone fret beside the 3rd one. Okay. Basically that was it. I hope you enjoyed the video and that you can make your own scores and arrangements now. If you'd like to know more about Arabic music, Arabic melody and quarter tones and guitars, please check my book Maqam Guitar. You will find the link below in the description. Okay, bye bye.